Hello everybody, and welcome back to Grotto. My name is Omni, and we are continuing The Witcher Wild Hunt 3! Yeah, so basically we're now helping out the bloody Barron to find his missing wife and daughter, who disappeared one day on a full moon. I think it's a werewolf. Because, full moon, nighttime, werewolf. It seems like a common occurrence here. And we've already ran into the King of Wolves in the series stream. That's what happened last time too, which is pretty cool. I never thought that. Huh, I just realized. That Viper sword is of the cats. Cool. I didn't know that. Anyway, let's continue. We are following a scent. And apparently it's leading us to this floorboard.
Damn, trail breaks off. Could find something else, though.
A talisman.
Spruce wood. Smells of juniper incense. Some sort of folk talisman. Protective. Question is, against what? Won't find much else here.
Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to talk with the Baron himself, see what else I could find. Or something else. What's this? Nothing? Oh, he's up above. Oh, because he's right there.
Done poking around?
Yeah, I'm done, but, signs of a fight.
Found signs of a fight in the room. Know anything about that?
A fight? What are you talking about?
Someone was attacked. Probably your wife or daughter. Whoever it was tried to defend themselves with a candlestick. Missed the attacker. Punctured the wall instead. They tussled too.
I don't know nothing about this. That night, I was drunk. Don't remember a thing. They were gone by the time I awoke.
Doubt you were the only ones in the castle. Maybe one of your men heard something?
3 times I asked those bastards if they'd seen anything, heard anything. Nothing. Not a one of them.
Somebody spilled wine on the landing.
Whole landing smells of wine. Tell me anything about that?
One of the lads, must be. Lushes, one and all.
Give your men Ervalus?
Oh, damn it. I might have spilled it. I told you I was good and marinated that night. What does it matter? Stench of wine in plenty of corn around the castle.
Know anything about this amulet?
Recognize this amulet?
Yes. Anna began wearing it a time ago.
Any idea where she got it?
None.
Any witches or cunning women in the area?
A Pellar. Old Coot lives near Blackbow. And there's a cunning woman in Midcopse, but I know little about her. She's only recently arrived. If Anna were to see someone, she'd choose the Pellar, not the woman. Anna was wary of strangers, newcomers.
Well, I guess we got a lead.
Ought to have a chat with this Pellar.
Fair warning, he's a hard man to talk to. Rumour has it he killed his own father with an axe as a lad, then went batty. Now they say he sees ghosts and ploughs his goat.
Not really interested in his hobbies. Just want to ask about the amulet.
What? What the fuck did he just say? Oh yeah, and I got a book to read. I totally forgot that I bought a book. Right here. Oh, there it is. Religion and Life. Cool, I read it. And then the contract. Who may it concern? A shrieker, that monster. Right. Cool. It's not shaded out now. Whatever. Well, let's go talk to the Pellar, wherever thou might be.
You white one, look like you got soused last night too.
Well, not this way. I gotta go this way. Looks like there's a stash over here for me. I think I might put some stuff in here.
So Ciri was here.
Oh.
The Natural Obscurity of Curses by Lydia van Bredevoort. Where'd Ciri get this?
Hold on. Ah, damn it. Oh, I got another quest too. Good thing I went this way. Hold on. I wanted to go to inventory and read the book. To my dearest friends, Philip and Anna. I guess the bloody Baron has a friend.
A dedication to the Baron and his wife. Seems they had friends in high places in Vizima.
A dreidel?
A spinning top. Gretka's toy.
Oh.
Ciri must have used these. Looks like she left in a hurry.
And stash. Look at all the crap I've got.
Thistle. Shenanacking.
What are you talking about?
So you're Gretka.
I am. And you're Geralt.
How'd you know?
Fishy white hair and a medallion shaped like a wolf. Ciri told me about you.
Clever girl.
You and Ciri talked a bit, didn't you?
We did.
Did she say where she was going, or what she came here to look for?
She said she was looking for you and a sorceress. But you're here, so I guess she didn't find you. I wonder if she helped that friend of hers.
What friend?
Ciri wanted to help a friend? Any idea who it was?
What do you mean, who? Her friend. She said he was in trouble and that she had to save him.
The elf.
Look familiar?
My top. Where'd you find it?
Ciri's room.
We'd play in her room sometimes. I was sad one day, and Ciri carved it for me. Such a shame she had to leave.
Well, at least I got
Thanks,
some information.
Gretka. Have fun.
But I'm not playing. I'm helping. Gonna kill the monsters. All of them.
Well, she's weird, but everybody in this game's weird.
Nothing here for you.
Where's this? How immature. Well, anyway.
What's that you're muttering?
Well, we've got to go, here, we're gonna do the Family Matters one. Apparently, they're all the way up. Oh, hey, look,
Barron
look who it is.
If I want to plough some peasant lass.
Greetings.
Yeah?
Oh, he's different. Oh, I guess I'm already gonna do this, so let me catch up to the other thing.
Heard you have a problem. A monster you call a shrieker.
Aye, prowls about it does. Snatches cows and goats mostly, but it won't scorn a man if it runs into one. Borzoi, huntsman under the old lord, well, he said enough's enough. Claimed he'd put a stop to it, drive the beast away. Took a hatchet. Laid an ambush for the shrieker beyond the moat, where the fields start. It's where we found him. Gut stretched o'er the crown of a tree like gossamer. Took half a day to collect the parts. Put him in a grave.
High time a professional took a look at this shrieker. Anyone around here know more about the beast?
Borzoi's son Simcoe does. Saw the aura with his own eyes. But you might find the lad hard to chat with. Still mourns his father, methinks.
I see. Where'll I find him?
At me homestead. I took the tyke in when he lost his dad. The mother passed long ago.
Alright, let's go find this peddler. Roach, where are you? There you are. Let's go.
Move it!
You couldn't stay on the path? Alright, you're just gonna move around on the path.
All right.
Okay.
Hey-ya! Whoa!
A lot of people here.
You hear? They found Margaret in the woods. Bloody something.
Slow now.
Torn to shreds. Some beast must have nabbed her.
I heard folk talking. She must have happened on wolves. But Neelan, that's who I feel for. Horrors of some sort took his wife. Now her sister.
Well, this might be the Pellar's hut. Well,
Hey,
this is the Pellar's hut. So,
We'll get the old. Got scabies.
Some strays wandered our way. Sod off, freak. What fucked them?
wasabi paste. What's up?
What do you want?
Want to talk to the Pellar?
Too late. We've got dibs on a chat with him. A long one.
What? What do you want? How do I do the delusion thing?
What do you want from him?
To
Oh,
give
wait.
him what he deserves.
And that is?
He done conjured auguries. Said something evil had made its nest in Edric's bowels. Told Edric to eat rowan berries, lots of them.
Ever since Edric's lived in the outhouse. And he's got hardened pustules all over him.
Tell you what, you leave and I'll hear it.
Just so happens I need the Pellar alive. So if you agree to leave him alone, for good, I'm willing to tell you how to help Edric.
Well, all in all,
Yes or no?
Fine. Let's hear it.
A tea of mullein leaves for his belly, and cover his boils with mallow. A few days and he'll be good as new.
noted. But if it don't work, we'll be back. Move out, boys.
I think I gotta bring up my Ard. I think that's what I need to do. Prick. Fuck off.
Gotta wonder about a man who could get Edric's friends all worked up.
Can I actually, do I have a point? That I do not. Oh well.
The other shot. Man.
Hey, anybody home? Open up, it's safe now.
Devils. Who do they bring? What seek ye?
I need your help.
Oh, a man, nay, a wolf, grey, though not old. 'Tis he the Pellar awaits.
Creepy fuck. A table for two? Expecting me?
You were expecting me.
Aye, as the bones declared I should. They shall come whose stench is rape and death, but the wolf shall disperse them, the white wolf. And thus he comes. Omens never lie.
Cool. I need your help.
Recognize this? Made of spruce wood, strong smell of juniper, designed to protect someone.
Freshly cut spruce sprinkled with goat's blood, then tempered with an incense of earth, smoke, and juniper. For Anna, to protect her.
From what?
So, designed to protect her. From what?
Oh, besieged she was, evil all around, wanting to possess her. Old magic, born of oblivion, from dark sources emerged.
Old magic? Can you be more
A
specific?
curse.
'Tis not for mouth speech, nor for the touch. A small protective charm, not a thing more a Pellar could do.
You made it?
You make the amulet?
Aye, sure 'twas the Pellar. After the way of his forefathers, over still water in the light of a full moon. Proper as amulets go. It protected well. Should never have taken it off.
Anna and her daughter are missing. Know where they are?
Nay, nay. Pellar don't know. But the spirits could know. The Pellar will augur, the spirits ask.
Spirits. Great. Fine with me. Long as I know where to look, where to find them.
Lost, must be found. Princess! None better than Princess for finding things.
Princess? Which princess?
Crazy dude?
Princess, my goat! She's fled.
Those men must have scared her off. Can we get back to the auguring?
Need her.
Without the goat, impossible. No goat, won't work.
I'll find your goat.
Will you help me if I bring the goat back?
Princess, where have you got to, girl?
Fine. I'll get your goat.
The bell! The little bell's ringing. She loves it. Ring, ring, and she will follow. But for a while. But beware of wild strawberries. Raspberries, too.
Yeah, treacherous as beasts go. I always keep an eye out for them.
Cool. Quest items. You have a new quest item. Prepare to use it by placing it in an appropriate slot in the inventory panel. When selecting it from the quick access menu, use the item. Press hold. Great. Awesome. Wonderful. Alright, where is it? Is it in quest items? Is it in this? Is it in this? Oh wait, it's in my pocket already. Well, how do I get to my pocket? Oh, that's how. I didn't want that. Well, how do I change? Select. Oh wait, hold on. I can't switch positions with the bell. Hold on. Whatever. Well, you know what? Get off of this. There it is. That was easy. Oh, but, Wolfie. Dead. This.
goat. Here, princess. Hoofed and horned. Should have known it would be stubborn. All right, time to try the bell. Come on, let's go see the Pellar. Should have guessed as much. What's a witcher compared to a patch of wild strawberries? Do I really have to keep ringing this bell for you to follow? Come on, take you back to the Pellar. Misses you something awful. Where the hell'd you go?
Bear! Run, you stupid piece of shit!
Awesome. Great, why did it run to a bear? So this was bound to happen. Oh shit.
Not bad.
And swipe. Cool. I'll take all of that.
Do I really have to keep ringing this bell for you to follow?
Pretty much. Come on. Let's go. We're almost there. Get the fuck over here! Alright, Pellar. Come on.
Princess, flee not from the Pellar, for there are wolves about.
I brought the goat. I got your goat.
Goat of mine, dearest, sweetest goat.
Bites his face. Alright, will you help me now?
Happy for you, but I'm kinda in a hurry. Anna and Tamara, they might be in danger.
The White Wolf helped the Pellar, and so the Pellar shall help him.
That's
Blood.
twice.
We need blood. A living being.
Stabs Princess in the face. This blood will do.
Fine. Be right back.
Slice his face. Ooh. Oh, got a rat.
Will this do?
Ew, gross. What the fuck's wrong with you? Ah, damn. What is he doing? Oh, great. You smashed it. And what is he gonna do? He's gonna... I'll praise the anus of this giant rat and shove this knife into its belly.
They are not here. There is God. Blood. I see blood.
Lots of blood.
No Anna. No Tamara. Just a child. A child that lives not, yet did not die.
Mentioned a child. Whose?
Why, Anna's.
Anna was pregnant?
She was. And she miscarried.
Barron didn't mention it.
Afraid, perhaps. Or ashamed, or forgetful. Or perhaps he had no wish to remember.
Baron have anything to do with this?
The Baron have anything to do with his wife's miscarriage?
Foul-tempered he is, and he's a fondness for hooch.
No doubt makes his temper even fouler. Did he abuse his family? Anna came to you. You must have noticed something.
The Pellar's old, near blind. But Princess came and licked her hand.
So what?
She's a wise beast. Only comes to those who suffer.
The child, what happened to it?
What happened to the child?
In a grave thrown, without rite or ceremony, it awoke. Now it wanders, it seeks vengeance.
A botchling.
Who?
White Wolf, wise wolf. Catch the botchling. The botchling will help. Lead the wolf to the loved ones.
Botchlings suck the blood of pregnant women and eat their fetuses. They don't help.
'Tis a being cursed, and witches lift curses. If the White Wolf can't lift it, he should bring me its blood. Blood will always find kindred blood.
Alright, why do you need... It's blood now, I'm fucking...
Whatever I do, I gotta find the botchling first.
Seek it at midnight, near the grave that lies empty.
If what you say is true, the Baron ought to know where that grave is.
Awesome. And I guess we'll continue this in another episode. Find this, zombie miscarriage. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode here. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe to stay updated on more of my content. And remember that Gamers Grotto is home for all games to all gamers, so don't be afraid to recommend any game to me. Thank you, have a great and wonderful day. See you all next episode. Later.